Boop. Boop. Hey guys. We just finished the toxic landfill on Mr. CD, but you know what? We don't need that. We just need what we need to carry on to the next level. Woohoo! Let's get going. 40 below fridge. Here we are. Okay, that came out kind of weird. It's kind of late at night. That's why I'm talking kind of gibberishly. Probably. Yeah, I just finished that weird rant I had. Oh, I forgot. This level actually takes some thought. Not as thoughtful as the others that are actually quite a puzzle, but I think you'll soon know what I mean. Oh, shit. Okay. Level? Oh god. I'm trying to remember where. Okay. Yeah. I think you guys heard my previous rant in the other episode. Not rant, but, you know, lecture. No one likes lectures. I try to reduce times and stuff like that. Whoa, whoa. Easy there. Easy there, lag. Easy there. Really? Okay. You know, it seems kind of silly and pointless that I'm working this hard for just a small $1,000 diamond, but honestly, this will actually help out later out. And oh gosh, he actually got me. Screw you, dude. Screw you. Okay. I could do this in peace. I'm so glad these things don't respawn. Nintendo, I respect you for that. Respect. Oh gosh, really? Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay. Oh, alright. I got that one over with. Let's get on to the rest of the level. 3 lives left. Oh my gosh. Have to be very careful. Oh god. There's just I'll pray that will not haunt me. Oh boy. Okay, I got that. I don't think I needed that. These status stuff, I'm telling you. I know it's fun to do these mini games, but these brain teaser stuff, but really. God. Let's check this one out for a second. Let's kill this guy too, so we can get in the way. I'll get this one first. One. Yeah, that's how I make lots of monies. At least I'm getting better throughout the game and not just. Okay, not just being a newbie around. I'm gonna clear every level here. Wait, just in case. I have a feeling it might be. Psychic. Okay. Oh boy, it's one of these games, huh? Yeah, this takes some time to think. Well, let's see. If I were to give you a quick lecture on how to. What's the one of the quick lectures I want to give? Oh, well, never mind. I did this quicker than I thought I would. That's pretty good. Okay. Let's just do this one at a time. Oh, shit. Okay. Good start, good start. 4 lives. I'm averagely good right there. Boom, boy. Up. That's what I thought. Oh, wow. I got Keezer with only 1 treasure. What is this madness? What is this madness? Huh. What can I... Ooh. What can I say about this episode? Any cold movies you guys ever seen? Movies about deep freezes? First one that came to my mind was this animation, really good animation movie, Ice Age. Like the sloth, Manny the Mammoth. And you guys heard it? No? Okay, that's alright. It's probably like a cartoon in the past. When I rewatched that movie, oh my goodness. It's funny still, like holy cow, but the models used in animation, you know, like the dated. You guys are engineers, it's almost like staring at AutoCAD SolidWorks models, you know? But, you know, it's amazing how animation has gotten so much better to this point. But in terms of good animation, I don't like the movie Frozen, but that's a good example of how animation improved. Wait. Okay, I'm actually going to make too much progress if I do something like that. Let me go back to make sure I didn't miss anything. I'm thinking another good movie. Kung Fu Panda. My favorite movie. 1 and 2. 1 is much better, 2 is alright, but it's so artsy that you feel like you're missing something interesting. Okay, wait. Make sure I'm not missing anything good. It's probably for future events. Huh. Oh. So I got it right. You know. I think it's the one above it, right? Okay, let me check that out. So, oh hey, that's a good question to ask everybody. Leave in the comment below what movie you watched that related to icy coldness stuff, or what's your favorite animation movie? I prefer that one better, actually. It's more fun to talk about. Oh, have you guys heard of the movie Day After Tomorrow? Is it like a movie based off like the idea that it might be global warming? I don't know if that will still be a problem in your time, guys, but people believe there's something called global warming. I believe that there's possible with climate change and all that stuff, but I don't know, you know? People, we don't have the good tools to assess that situation. Scientists claim they do know what it is, but darn! Okay. We reached a point in time where I'm telling you, I'm gonna kill that thing. Oh god, darn. Maybe it's not a fruitful thing to do. Darn. Oh, okay. I was trying to get it. Darn it. That was not a smart idea, was it? Okay. Wow. Oh my god. Long shot it. You gotta be joking me. Oh, no. Oh, darn. Oh my gosh. You know what? If I were to make a Goops video, guys, it'd probably be longer than any episode of... no, not today. Oh my god. Oh my god. You're giving me a much more hard time than any boss level I played. Screw you, dude. I'm avoiding it for now. Okay, there's no random icicle. Oh, good. Honestly, guys, I don't ever want to go through something like that again, man. No, definitely. Oh, there we go. Thank goodness. Darn. No. Oh my god. I deserve it. Sorry guys, you know, see me do all this noobishness. This unnecessary noobishness. Oh my god. Okay. Keep going. Let's do this right. Let's do some righteousness. I missed anything. Oh, it's just a heart. I don't really need that. I'm too pro for that deck. I need that. Wait, how am I supposed to do this? Oh. I think I'm seeing a pattern here. god. Shit! You gotta be joking me. Oh gosh. So annoying. So this level is a 15. Oh my god. You gotta be kidding me. I really don't like this level. My least favorite so far. My least favorite so far. Okay. Man. It felt like 3 minutes ago. Was they talking about Ice Age movies, stuff like that? Man, I don't know if you guys are in the mood to hear it after all this rubbish. Okay. Yeah. Did I mention turbo puns? Yeah. That's probably it. Am I missing anything if I go through here? I don't think so. Let me just make sure I didn't miss anything. It's all the way to the very top, right? Yeah, it's all the way to the very top. Let me just go check down below. Goodness, this place is like a maze, man. I'm just hoping. Wait, is this one whole circle? Oh my gosh. This was one whole circle and I wasn't. Oh, I didn't actually have to do that? Man. I'm so sorry, guys. Oh, here's the shortcut. Thank goodness the gamers have an idea for shortcuts. This is a blessing. Okay. Whoa, yeah! I saw that coming, man. I did that. Good. Loaded. And ready to roll. Oh, maze. Are you guys in the mood for a maze? I mean, a mini game? What's this now? I have no idea what this will do. It's going to be useful this time. Yeah, this is the right one. Shoot me! Yeah! Oh yeah. What do you think, guys? Genius. Sure? Oh no. Okay. Alright, let's go. How do I go up here, huh? Curious. Oh, I think I have an idea. Oh, darn. I don't know if it's necessary that I had to... Oh gosh, that didn't work. Okay. Let's think this through a bit, yeah. How did I do this? Yes. Yes. That's how we do it. Oh man. Such a bomb. Oh. Speak too soon. Suck it. Suck it. Suck it. Alright. Oh, easy, bro. Easy. Oh my gosh, I got all 4 of them? Crap, guys. This is easier than that factory thing, actually. Wait. Don't worry, guys. I'm gonna keep this as fast as I can. I mean, that CD thing, we don't really need it. Come on, let's be real, guys. Let's be real. We have so much things we want to do. That should not be in our schedule. What in the world? What in the world? I hate puzzles, man. Maybe I wasn't supposed to solve this. Okay. Let's try it this way. Please don't be, oh, yes! Nice. Oh. Let's just do this. Let's get this over with. I don't know. I don't know if I should. No. I'm going to trust the process. No? I wonder what the other Wario games are like. never played them. It's kind of weird, you know? I just start with 4 instead of, really? I don't need that. I don't need that cheap money. I need that money. I was just kidding around. I need that money. I need all the money. Those minigames freaking cost a lot, guys. Just, you know the thing I showed you in that practice video? My goodness, it took me quite a while. Maybe because it was not... Darn you. Darn you. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh no, no. No. Okay. Be real. Yeah. Just wondering. Just a quick experiment. Wow. Nothing. Okay. You know, it doesn't hurt to experiment around. You know what? That's one thing we're going to learn about things in the future, guys, you know? It doesn't hurt to experiment some things. It hurts to experiment some things. You don't know the process of it. I take that back. I missed the CD totally, didn't I? I totally missed the CD, didn't I, guys? It's okay. It's okay. Remember what I said? We all have time constraints. We didn't came here for the CD. We came here just to pass the level. But I promise you guys, I'll make one separate episode. You got it. I have to find out how to get the CD. It's annoying me like crazy right now. I have to know. Shit. Shit and giggles. Oh, I didn't have to do that. Darn, I didn't have to do that. Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm onto something, guys. I'm onto something. I am onto something. Okay. Trust the process. Trust the process. Trust the process. Guys, I have to get that CD. No, it's just like right there, man. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let's brainstorm. How in the world am I gonna get this CD? Oh. Duh. Oh my goodness, guys. I lied. I can get the CD. Yeah! We got everything we need, boys! Oh boy. I am so happy right now. That took a while. You know what? I feel so good. As a treat to you guys, I'm gonna play the CD when I'm done with this part. Okay. Oh my god. That, you don't know how happy I feel, guys. I'm so happy right now. Did I just move when I... You know what? At least it's coming out as actual music. Wait, I'm just curious. Are these actual... Like, if you, like, probably just, like, split up sounds that when combined to make an actual soundtrack to one of the levels I played. That was interesting. I'll play it longer for you guys. It sounds like Palm Tree Paradise. Alright, that's enough. That's pretty good though. Alright guys. Oh. 3 levels down. Pinball Zone, last one left to go. I hope you enjoyed this episode and have a good night's sleep, rest. I'm telling you, sleep is good, or else be talking like me, gibbering about compound interest. Yeah, it didn't come out right. See you guys. Boom.